Dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily install Magidisk to your Android device. So for doing this you just need to go to magicsmanager.com, and here you will find beta version. So just download the latest beta version. Here you can see 20.4, and now you just open your command line and just write in command line adb push and just pass to your here you can see Magidisk. So just you can drag this file here and you will get passed to this file, and just slash and SD card, and just click enter. So after you do it, you will see this this file in TVRP. So just you will open SD card, and here you can see our zip file. So just click on it, and just swipe to confirm, and just wait until it will successfully install it to your mobile phone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.